Yo, what's happening, world? Y'all tuned in right now with Dsappondabeatz. Right now I'm gonna show artists today how to register their music. Singers, songwriters, poets, no matter who you are, I'm gonna show you how to register your music today. So y'all stay tuned and let's get into this tutorial. So we're gonna add a new work. Alright, I just added a new work. So the first category is select the type of work you are registering. If you hover over the question mark, it'll show you what everything is if you're not really sure. So when I hover over the all others genre, it says any genre other than classical. This can include rock, pop, country, jazz, and etc. That's the option that I want to select, and most likely you will too as well if it's not a classical work that you're uploading. Alright, so hovering over the classical, and it reads an original written for live concert performance under chamber music or orchestral license. So that's not us. Okay, we click next. Now I gotta give my work a title. Like I said, the name of my beat is titled Reality. And the duration is how long is your song. My beat, this is, by the way, this is an instrumental, no vocals, just a straight instrumental beat. So how long is the duration? It is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. You wanna be real precise with when you keying in all your information, and you wanna make sure that it's correct. Alright, so now the work content, I'm gonna select music only. You see the two options, we have music and lyrics. Like I said, this is just an instrumental beat, so I'm doing music only. The language, English doesn't matter. Music speaks to all, it speaks all languages without vocals on them. So alright, so I got my title, got music only, duration. Alright, you want to add on an alternate title as well, so I'm gonna call it, I'm still gonna call it Reality, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add there you go. I'm gonna add Reality, and I'm gonna put instrumental. And then I'm gonna do another alternate title. You can use as many titles as you want to use. Doesn't even matter. It's like unlimited. So the more titles, the better. So that way this music is not gonna not get overlooked when it comes across certain platforms, or again if they want to track me down. Anybody want to track your music down? Okay, so alternate title. Now this is my third alternate title. I'm just gonna put produced by Dsap. So I got my 3 alternate titles. You can have 4 or 5, it don't even matter. Shit, you have 1 if you want. Okay, so now we're gonna go next. Okay, now we at step 2, other work. Okay, now it says if your work is public domain arrangement or foreign lyric version translation, please select yes. My work is not a public domain arrangement, so I'm not gonna, that doesn't apply for me. So does this work contain samples or melodies? No, this is an original beat. This beat contains no samples or melodies from any other work. So I'm gonna select no, it doesn't. Alright. Are there any publishers on this work? Yes. And I have my publishing company, so I'm gonna select yes. If you have a publisher, then you would key in that information right there. My publishing company is Dsappondabeatz, so I'm gonna key in that information right now. the ownership. I own 100% of my publishing, so that's what I'm gonna select. Now it tells me to add a writer. I am the writer, Dsap, so I'm gonna select my name and my writers share. Again, if you don't know what all this information is that you see, all you got to do is just hover over the question mark and it'll tell you what everything is. So my percentage for my writer share is 100% as well. See, with BMI splits it in 200%. So that 200% is gonna divide between 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, don't matter. 200%. It's different from ASCAP. ASCAP is 100% dividing between 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. So that's the difference. But 100% is also equal to the 200%. If that don't make sense, you'll get it. You'll understand what I'm saying when I say that. It's the same thing. Okay, all right. So now we're gonna go next. All right. Are there any artists on my instrumental? No, there is not. Not right now, it's not. So I'm gonna click no. Are there any recordings? I'm gonna click no. Was this work created for film, TV, theater, or music library? It wasn't, but I would love for my music to be in film, TV, theater, and on the music library, like those streams and everything. Why not? Shit, you feel me? But nah, it wasn't created for that. Cause if you select yes, it's gonna ask you what film was it created for. You got to key in all this kind of information that you do not have. So select no, unless otherwise. So now I'm to the end. See, it was just that quick 5 simple steps. And right now this is just a summary of everything all the information that we keyed in for our music. Okay, you see everything is keyed in correctly. I can walk you through it. Okay, the first one is on the work info. Looking at it, it's all correct. The next one is publisher and writers. Okay, I got my percentages. I got my publisher name and composer's name. All that information is good. It looks good. Okay, all right. So now we at the end. Shit, click. Are you ready to submit? Click yes to submit this registration. Once you're done, you ready? Click yes. All right. And there you go. And then it doesn't take forever for your music to get registered. It takes about like a few days, or it could take a week, but no longer than a week. So that completes this tutorial. So that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for rocking with me. And this is Dsappondabeatz. And y'all can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can locate me on all sites, all social media sites, all streaming platforms. Just type in Dsappondabeatz@gmail.com. Alright.